How to form or create an LLC in Georgia. So all what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com, and right here scroll down. Here you will find start a business, choose LLC, and right here you can search now for Georgia. Okay, where are you? Here is it. Click get started and it will take you into this page. Choose the plan that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose the complete plan. After you choose the plan, click continue. Now, right here, you need to fill those informations. As you can see, there is a lot of things to fill, but it's very easy. Then click go to payment and it will take you to pay. As you can see, I can't go right now because I need to fill the informations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.